Hi everyone, I'm Nicole and I'm a product manager at NumLookup. Today I want to share with you a little story and guide you through the process of finding out who owns a phone number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
A few years ago, I found myself puzzled by a reoccurring mystery. Every day at precisely 2:15 p.m., my phone would ring. The number? Unfamiliar, always. It was like clockwork, yet each time I answered, there was only silence. This went on for weeks, and it sparked my curiosity. Who was calling me, and why? That's when I discovered the power of phone number lookup tools. At NumLookup, we understand how perplexing unsolved calls can be. So, how do we unravel this mystery? How do we find out who owns a phone number? It starts with data. When you enter a phone number into our system, we sift through millions of records in our database. These records are compiled from various sources: public records, phone directories, and even social media platforms. But it's not just about gathering data. The real magic lies in how we analyze and present it. Our algorithms are designed to cross-reference this information, piecing together a puzzle that reveals the owner's identity. Now, you might wonder, is this information accurate? Yes, and here's why. We constantly update our database to ensure the data is current. Plus, our system employs advanced filtering techniques to weed out any irrelevant or outdated information. Privacy and legality are paramount in this process. We adhere strictly to regulations and laws that govern data usage. Our goal is to provide a service that's not just effective, but also ethical and respectful of privacy. So, the next time you receive an unknown call and wonder who's on the other end, remember, tools like NumLookup are here to demystify the unknown. We empower you with knowledge, and in my case, it turned out just to be an old friend who had recently changed their number. Thanks for listening, and remember, at NumLookup, we're always here to help you connect the dots in the digital world. I hope you found this video useful. Please feel free to leave your comment and subscribe to our channel for more tips and updates. Bye for now.